We praise and thank the Lord for our servants and the staff of the chapel for helping us organize this Mass physically and virtually. We thank the Lord for their dedication and generosity. And thank you to everyone for being part of this Mass. To those who are with us online, thank you for making Greenbelt Chapel your spiritual home and for supporting the chapel with your Mass intentions, love offerings, and online donations, especially for our 475 beneficiaries of our Love a Parish program. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagtulong. Kayo po ay mga himala at milagro dahil kayo po ay sumalamin sa pag-ibig at awa ng Diyos. And thank you for being part of this Mass. This is my first Mass. Perhaps some of you would be surprised and say, first Mass? I've been here for 17 years. But this is my first Mass, not as the chaplain of Greenbelt Chapel. For as you all know, this morning, His Eminence Jose Cardinal Vincula already announced the appointment effective today of Father Dave Concepcion as the new chaplain of Santo Niño de Paz Greenbelt Chapel. And we thank the Lord for the gift of a new shepherd. And I am very confident that with Father Dave as the new father and shepherd of Greenbelt Chapel, all the more miracles will happen in this chapel. As most of you know, Father Dave is my batchmate. We were ordained together September 19, 1998. And you would also see his very popular YouTube channel and his Facebook page, which is also Everything is Grace. So magsasawa pa rin kayong marinig yung Everything is Grace. Dahil pareho kami na ito ang pinangahawakan. Dahil ang himala ng Diyos ay ang pagkilala ng biyaya ng Diyos. At salamat po sapagkat sa 17 taon, nakita ko ang himala ng Diyos. Nakita ko ang biyaya ng Diyos sa pamamagitan po ninyo. At sana po sa munti kong paraan, nakita nyo rin ho ang biyaya at himala at pag-ibig ng Diyos. Kaya salamat po at natutuwa po ako na ang huling misa ko po ay sa karangalan po ng ating mahal na ina. Alam niyo po, yung una kong misa sa Quiapo was last September 8, the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Kaya nagtatapos ako dito kasama ang mahal na ina at nagsimula ako sa tahanan ng mahal na pong Jesus Nazareno kasama din ang ating mahal na ina. Kaya tiwala ako na saan man ako naroon ay matatagpuan ko ang pag-ibig at biyaya ng Diyos sapagkat lagi kong kasama ang ating mahal na ina. And please pray for me. It is a difficult and new mission for me, something different, but I rely solely in the miracles and grace of God. At uulitin ko po, kung kayo po'y magawi sa Quiapo, welcome po kayo sa tahanan ng Nuestro Padre Jesus Nazareno. And lastly, continue to pray for Father Dave's complete recovery. He's still in the process of recovery, but God willing, very soon, he will already come over and serve you as your chaplain and support him, pray for him, love him. Even more than you support and love me, I won't mind, because every priest is also a grace, a miracle from God.
Good evening, everyone. You might be wondering why the microphone wasn't turned on, because this is also a candid moment. I was just asked by Father Marty to lead the congregation in our thank you to our chaplain, the Reverend Father Jun Sescon. For the past 5 days, we have been hearing him thanking all of our visitors here, our other bishops from the different dioceses who have visited us. And I believe we should also thank him in a very, very special way today. For the past 17 years, dear Father Jun, you have been a beacon of light in this chapel. You have not only brought light to souls that are darkened, but for sure you have also bring warmth for those souls who have suffered the coldness in their faith. Am I right? And so, Father Jun, in your new journey as the new pastor, the rector, and the parish priest of Quiapo, bring with you the prayers, the faith of the people in Greenbelt Chapel. Thank you very much, Father Jun. Maraming salamat. Tinanggap mo po ang tumugon kayo sa tawag ng Diyos upang maging pari. Maraming salamat. Pari po kayo.
Please all stand.
Please be seated. Huling hirit na ho, no? Sorry lahat candid moments, no? Kaya spontaneous po. But just like to take this opportunity, although later on the servants will have a short fellowship, but the rest of the community will already leave after this Mass. So let me take this opportunity to express my sincerest gratitude to all of you for journeying with me for the past 17 years. 17 years of my 24 years in the priesthood were spent here at Greenbelt Chapel, and I could not ask for anything more. The Lord has been so good to me. You have been so good to me. I hope I have been good to you also. And if there are times I was not really that good to you, when at times I showed my weakness, my shortcomings, I beg for your forgiveness. And whenever you see priests displaying shortcomings, pray more for them. All the more we need prayers, so that, as I said earlier, we may be bearers of the light. And just like Padre Pio, who carried in his heart the love of God. That's why, again, in that book, I quoted Padre Pio, who would always say, there will always be a glimmer of light, even if there is so much darkness, because the love of God never fails. And if there is one thing you will remember, hopefully, kahit di nyo maalala lahat ng nasabi ko, lahat ng homily ko, at alam ko, ang iba sa inyo, nagamot ko ang insomnia dahil nakatulog kayo sa akin, no? Napagpahinga ko kayo dito sa simbahan. Sana lang isa lang ho ang matandaan ninyo na laging ipinaalala ni Father Jun na mahal tayo ng Diyos. At anuman ang mangyari, mahal tayo ng Diyos. Yun man lang ho ang maalala ninyo. Tingin ko po, nagawa ko po yung mission ko dito sa Greenbelt, na laging napaalala sa inyo, na panghawakan nyo lagi, handaan nyo po yun. Kahit anong mangyari, mahal tayo ng Diyos. At pag ganun po ang ating tangan, makikita natin lagi ang liwanag. At yun po ang nakita ko po dito sa loob ng 17 taon. Kaya salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you to Father Richard Hiner and Father Marty Marcelo for joining me in this Thanksgiving Mass. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you. Thank you to the wonderful servants of Greenbelt Chapel and Landmark Chapel. Iba po sa kanila yung nandito na kasama natin sa paglalakbay. Sayang po, no? Magbubukas na raw soon yung SM. Just to, no? Spoiler alert po, ako na ang unang magbabalita, no? Magkakaroon ng SM Chapel. Akala ko ako ang magiging ultimate mall chaplain, no? Dahil binibiro nila mapapakyaw ko lahat, SM, Landmark at Greenbelt. But God has other plans. But I hope you would continue to flourish as a community. And every time you come here, always realize that you are inspiring us priests. At times we are ashamed when we see you so fervent, so dedicated, so committed. Because at times, I must admit, I lack the luster, I lack the zeal. But every time I see you come here, especially when the weather is bad, especially when times are hard, you are still here. Always remember that. You are inspiring us priests. And that is why continue that radiance that you exude. And I have witnessed that for the past 17 years. If people ask me, Father, bakit parang laging masigla ka pa rin? Kahit na 3, 4 na, 5 na yung misa mo, parang first mass mo pa rin. Ito po'y dahil sa biyaya ng Diyos at dahil nakikita ko po kayo na masigasig din. Kaya nakakahiya na hindi ko maipakita sa inyo ang sigla at biyaya ng Diyos. Kaya kung alam nyo lang, kayo po ang tunay na nagpapasigla. Kayo po ang tunay na nagpapatibay ng pananampalataya. Kayo po ang nakakatulong na maging tapat ang mga paring katulad ko. At sana po ipagdasal nyo po ako. Mula po sa ninyo, ako po ay pupunta sa Nazareno. Upgraded na ho ako, no? So mula sa batang si Jesus, ako naman po ay pupunta sa Jesus na nagbubuhat ng krus. At welcome po kayong lahat sa Quiapo. Pagpunta niyo po ron, hanapin niyo po ako at sama-sama tayong lalapit sa ating mahal na Senyor, Nuestro Padre Jesus Nazareno, sapagkat ang mga taong nagpupunta po doon, yun na lang ang pinangahawakan nila sa buhay nila, ang pag-asa at liwanag ni Jesus. Kaya ipagdasal niyo po ako na yun lang ang maibigay ko sa kanila. No more, no less. The hope and light of Christ. Can I count on your prayers on my new mission? Salamat po. At dahil napa-overtime po tayo, paglabas niyo po may ice cream. No? Yun na lang po ang offering po ng ating Pastoral Council. At muli po, hindi po ito pamamaalam dahil patuloy tayo maglalakbay, patuloy ang ating pagkakaibigan, at higit sa lahat, patuloy ang ating pananalig sa ating Panginoon, kay Mama Mary, kay St. Joseph, at kay Padre Pio. Salamat sa Diyos.